Alright, boys and girls, this is your boy Roger here. Sorry I've not made a video on YouTube for a long time. I got some good news and some really kind of good news, sort of what. I bought me a pickup truck. It's a 90, you'll see it here in a minute. And I still got the Jeep. So I've posted pictures on my Instagram and my Twitter account. I'm looking for sponsor builds for this truck that I'm looking at. I just bought it maybe a week ago now, maybe less. I'll show you guys in 3, 2, 1. 95 Ford F-150. It's a little crusty. I just had to drop the transmission's out of it. Boy, wow, he bought a piece of junk. No, it's got 200,000 miles. The interior is in really good shape. The interior is what sold me on it. It's a 95 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive. I'm like, oh, he's got a two-wheel drive. No, it's not because of that. What matters, what sold me on is right here. The heart on it. 302 Ford V8 automatic. It's in decent shape. It's a little rough. There's a little bit of rust on it. These wheels are the guy I bought the truck from, wants the wheels back. It's in decent shape. It's got 2 tanks. It's in really good shape for it being the year it is. But here's my truck. I just pulled the battery out of it. New steering column, had to replace the steering column in it. I know you guys can't see it, but look at that. No rips, nothing. Headliner. I don't know how well you're seeing that, but very good clean shape. I take these off, but yeah, I still got the Jeep. It's where it's always at. I still got him. Turn his lights off. And no, Jeep's still here. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna make this a short one, so people, I need some help on my truck over there. I need a overall kit, transmission kit for it. So if any transmission people want to sponsor a transmission, donate a transmission to me. I need a transmission for a 95 Ford F-150, a E4 AOD. It's fuel injected. It does need some work, but so it's going to get different wheels and tires, headlights. I'm going to do blacked out headlights, blackout tail lights, the chrome, everything else going to be painted black and red. The K-horse is going to get cab lights put on it. But no, it's in really good shape. Still going to the gym every day. But the truck's in decent shape. It needs some work done to it. but it's a very good, clean truck. So yeah, there's my 95 Ford F-150 OBS. So it runs and drives. Well, it don't drive, it runs. But there's the transmission. So, alright guys, boys and girls, I'm gonna get off of here and go in the house, get cleaned up. I'm all oily from my pan. So, tell me, leave a comment down below what you guys think on how to do this thing. I'm gonna do different wheels and tires. I'm thinking about doing adapters on it and running the Jeep rims off of it onto it and ordering me another set of wheels and tires for the Jeep. New set, upgrade the Jeep again. Put a new set of wheels on it. And so, yeah. Let them get the guy I bought the truck from wants them back. I will let him have them back. Don't know why he wants them back for, but he was. He was on the truck when I got it from him. When he bought it from this, I'm the third. Let's see. I'm the fourth owner on this truck, and I will be keeping it for about a year-ish. After that, it will be up for sale or trade for a Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 2002 05 Ford F-150, 250. Doesn't matter. V8 diesel, wouldn't matter. I will be wanting to trade this truck. Once I get it driving, I'll let you guys know within a year's time. It's gonna be it's a project truck, so yes. And so like and subscribe, rate and subscribe. Leave a comment what you guys think of the new truck. And yep, see y'all later.